Joining me right now, President and CEO of IHA, Integrated Health Associates, Bill Fileti. Bill, good afternoon. How are you?
Sam, I'm doing fine. Good to be spending some time with you today.
Yeah, glad that you could join us. You're a member of the United Way of Washtenaw County's Board of Directors, and IHA is a co-sponsor for this leadership reception. Just tell me about IHA, kind of a brief history of what it is.
Well, IHA started as Integrated Health Associates. It'll be 20 years on February 1st, 2014. We started as a physician group practice, recognizing that medicine was changing and we could do a better job for our patients if physicians worked more closely together than in a competition or independently by themselves.
I got you. So how did you personally get involved with the United Way?
Steve Dobson, the former chair of the United Way board, is a role model for many of us in the community. He is very socially minded, committed to serving the community, and watching Steve for a number of years and what he was doing was inspirational. So I'm just following in his footsteps.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting in this community, especially. You get the feeling, the connectivity that's here, but that's the United Way. It encapsulates all of those community efforts in one place and kind of directs things. So in addition to running a traditional employee campaign, you guys support the United Way and the overall community in a number of ways. Can you kind of give some examples of that?
Sure. Our mission statement starts, IHA exists to meet community needs. And we recognize with healthcare, there's lots of integration with education, with aging, with food, with social services. So by actively participating with United Way, we help accomplish our mission and we help support and serve the community. With regard to our campaign, we try to bring it down to our average staff person so everybody can contribute. So fun things. Wednesdays, for instance, are jean days. Mm-hmm. We have a professional environment, but on Wednesday you can wear jeans. It costs you $2 though, and that $2 goes to support the United Way. So it makes United Way kind of top of mind for many across our organization, and we think that helps its support. We also have a matching gift program within IHA to help stimulate those who'd like to give to help support the good efforts of the United Way agencies.
Outstanding. So you're cultivating that kind of mentality, that community connectivity that we talked about. Before we let you go, I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you, with the big game coming up this weekend, do you have a pick?
I do. My seats are right down the way here, so I spend time up here in the Roth Club, and I've learned from many around me that it's always a safe bet to pick Michigan, and by 4 points against the Spartans.
You know, I certainly like that, and it should be noted that when we talk about community, the United Way, you guys are all here. You service the entire community, not just the maize and blue, but the green and white and all colors, all colors in between. But that does not mean that we can't dole out a little punishment come this Saturday. So looking forward to it. Well, Bill Fileti, President and CEO of IHA, we appreciate you taking some time with us this afternoon.
Thank you so much, Sam.
All right, thanks a lot.